Huh? I think I have a piece in my truck.
Old furnace. Goodbye, old furnace.
Okay, I'm gonna go down over there, right?
You served me well.
Can you just break out the top piece then? Oh, really? Well, how about instead of going to the side and just cut the top out? Okay. What are you doing? Taking pictures for posterity?
He's a star.
To be fair, don't fall because he's going to get you on camera.
I'll catch you falling. Yes, here we are. It took 3 men to pull out my old behemoth furnace, more than 55 years old. 2 trucks and 1 car. One guy's up on the ladder to install the new liner in the chimney. He's having trouble, I don't know what. And I was in charge of getting the opening and closing the door to the breezeway while they carted out the severed pieces of the old furnace. Yes, this means you. So, I don't know how much longer this is going to take, maybe all day. They drilled some holes in the house for venting, and they had to remove the panel from the fireplace in order to do that. So here's my cold house. It's 50 degrees in the house now. And here's one of the other guys. I gave him my gloves because he lost his gloves. But anyway. Oh, there's the liner that they're going to try to get up into the chimney. There it goes. Wow. Anyway, let me work my way. There's the truck. That's Jose at the top. See, he's getting it all the way down. Yay. Guess it's working. Okay, so I'll turn it off for now. Back into the igloo house.